Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to find and copy USDT ERC-20 wallet address on MetaMask. So first, what is a USDT ERC-20 address on MetaMask? Basically, it's the same as your normal Ethereum address, starting with 0x, etc. But it just makes sure that you're on the Ethereum mainnet when using it. So now let's see how to do it. It will be very simple. So here, for example, I opened this page of MetaMask, but you can also do it in the extension here. And actually, I will show you in the extension. So if you go here, you will find the mainnet here. As you can see, it's the exact same as if you are on the MetaMask web browser, but I will use the extension as this is what most people use. So here in the networks, you will find Ethereum mainnet, Linea, Base mainnet. You can also find the Binance Smart Chain, etc. So here, by default, it will be selected. All of these will be selected, right? Okay. So now just deselect these and just keep the Ethereum mainnet. Now go back here and under your account you will find this address, so you just have to copy it and then send it to whoever you want. Or another option you can do is just go to this web browser and then go to receive, and you will find this QR code. And that was it. It was very easy and very straightforward. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.